What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. We have here the Retroid Pocket 2S. It just arrived a few minutes ago and this is the retro colorway. Now I have not seen these online yet anywhere. I saw one video, but the color was kind of dark, so I couldn't really make out whether the colorway was like the renders or if they used black instead of a dark gray for the thumbsticks and the D-pad. Let's check it out here. We're gonna see for the first time. I have proper lighting here. Now this is one of those tempered glass covers for the screen that they give you for free if you purchased it at the pre-order. I don't know if I'll even use mine, to be honest. All right, so that's just a little Retroid card. Get that out. Let's pull this out. I think it is gonna be a dark gray, but I don't think it's gonna be black. It is a dark gray. It's pretty much like the renders, almost like a smoke gray color, and that's what we have. Let me see if I can focus it here. We're getting a little blurry. Come on. There's the buttons, you can see. Close up. So it is closer to the renders. Let me brighten up this light a little bit here. There you go. You can kind of see. And they feel good in the hand right off the top. It does feel good and the screen looks good. Now, I'm just doing the unboxing of this really quick. You also have the cord that comes with it. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Nope, that's gonna be it. Trying to play with my lights here a little bit just to give you a little bit different lighting. I got it pretty bright, but I have obviously not had time to play around with this unit yet, and I will be doing that within the next couple of days. So if you do wanna see a full review of this product and what games it can run or what games I have it running on it, let me know down in the comment section below and I will show you that. Let's see right here, we got these. They feel good. I mean, it feels really, I haven't bought a retro system for a long time. I think I had the Pocket Go was what it was called. Real tiny one, and it was fun, but it was just a little too small to play on a regular basis. But I think this is going to be really cool once I get it up and running. But one more time, let me get in close, show you guys those buttons, just so you could have a better idea of what this one looks like. And the gray, it's like an off gray, almost like a worn out color, which I like because it has more of that look like the old Game Boys that have, they're not a super bright color. It's kind of more of a muted gray. And then of course you have the darker gray for the thumbsticks and then that like burgundy maroon color for the buttons. Let me see. They feel good to the press to me. And it's light, but it's got more weight than I expected. People were saying online that these are really light, and they are, but I think my expectation was for it to feel completely hollow because of that, and to me that doesn't feel that way. It feels like it's got a decent weight to it. I mean, it's not heavy, but it has a weight to it, some weight to it, better than nothing. And that's it. Let me show you the backside quick. Just flat back there. But that's the Retroid Pocket 2S in retro color. I believe that's what it's called. The 16-bit, I think, is the one with the rainbow buttons, kind of like the Famicom. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short, quick unboxing video to hopefully be the first one to show the color. I think I'm the first one to show this color with proper lighting. So anyways, hope you liked it. If you did order this one, I hope it's exactly the color that you wanted it to be. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.